Hello, this is Bram van Overbeke from Future Care Design. I am in the olive orchard and I'm speaking to you from the future. Basically, I started recording some videos as we are implementing our permaculture design, and I realize now that I haven't said a few things, so I'm here to give you an introduction to what we've been doing. And then you will see the rest of the playlist that I've linked above or there, I don't remember. And this playlist will allow you to follow along what we've been doing. So the idea is that we are in Greece, in Attica, Marathonas, and there is quite a substantial amount of rain that runs past our property and sometimes on our property, depending on how hard it's raining, how much rain we get. And we are in the process of implementing the first stages of a permaculture design. So we are trying to harvest as much water as we can on the landscape. From my calculations, which could be off, but I'm going to trust all the knowledge that I've been given by my mentors and my teachers. Basically, according to my calculations, we should be able to recharge all the water that we've taken out using a bore well. And we've had this bore well for about 40 years. So all the water that we've taken out using the bore well, we'll be able to recharge it 3 or 4 years if we manage to fill up the swill several times per year, which I do believe is possible. So yeah, we're going to implement a swill, which is a water harvesting ditch on contour. You basically excavate along the horizontal line and you put the soil on the downhill side, and the water is captured inside the swill, inside the horizontal ditch, water harvesting ditch. We'll be able to hopefully grow a lot of nice fruit trees. Sorry, I was distracted by the Caracaxa. I guess they're seeing a cat that is hunting. Anyways, so where was I? Yes, so the swill will have a food forest on it, which we'll plant out in the coming months, and I will be taking you through that as well. And there's going to be all manner of different things that we'll be able to do with the water. So we'll have a banana circle, we will have a greenhouse for a veggie garden, we'll have an integrated duck and chicken coop, no mess, no fuss, no chance of spreading avian flu. We've heard about that. Or even catching it, that's the more important part. Let's see, what else? We'll have a flushing composting toilet, which will separate the solid waste from the water fairly quickly, and then we'll be able to reuse some of the water and compost the pool. We will have an integrated irrigation system that will allow us to irrigate all over the land using, at times, the water from the ducks. We will have a veggie garden, like I said, but the veggie garden will have 3 beds, and 2 beds will be in operation, and 1 bed will be used by the ducks and chickens, and then we'll be able to switch them out. So the year after, it would be these 2 that are in operation, and this one is for the chickens. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, like it will become obvious as we go along. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of things planned, and we're in the process of making it a reality. So there used to be quite a bunch of pistachio trees on this land. We've had to cut a lot of them, which was a difficult process. I realized that it's sometimes controversial to cut trees. I don't like to do it myself. I have recorded some of the times that I cut a tree, a pistachio tree, so I might be able to upload that as well. But yeah, just to give some context, the trees had not produced for 20 years, They are basically in constant need of pesticides in order to produce. They've been planted as a monoculture, as you will be able to see in the future in other videos. Yeah, seeing as they had not produced, we basically cut them. We we sold some of the wood to someone that is going to use it for hopefully making bowls or other interesting things as a wood carver, basically. We don't know if exactly, we'll see how it goes. We have some still left somewhere that we're going to give to someone that makes instruments, which I'm also very happy about. And then I still have a lot that is cut up to the size of firewood, which we might still be able to sell or give to someone that will make something out of it. We know some people. Yeah, so basically that happened. It's not... I believe if the wood and the trees are going to good use, the highest possible use, I don't think it's the worst thing in the world to cut trees, especially if you're going to replant things straight after, which we're going to do. By the end of this winter, basically, all of this site will be transformed. Yeah, we're going to wood chip all of the smaller branches so that they turn into a nice wood base layer for a food forest. We've removed all the topsoil before we did anything, so that we've got a big pile which we will be able to put back onto the swale mounds, and it will turn into a nice base layer for food forest. We'll be able to use mycorrhizal fungi and bacteria, different nitrogen fixing bacteria for our fruit trees. We have acacias as well, acacias, sorry for the English speakers. I've gotten used to using Greek. Yeah, in general, very happy and excited and grateful that you've showed up and that you want to follow along. So I'll just give you a sneak peek, because I've been turned away from the swale, but I'm actually sitting inside the swale. So if you look over there, that's the first swale mound. Yeah, so now we'll switch to me in the past, where I'm explaining basic concepts of the food forest and the swale system, and then you'll start seeing how we are implementing it. So thank you, and hope to see you soon. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, specifically subscribe so that you can follow along, and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified by YouTube that I've posted a new video. Alright, thank you for your attention and your interest. I hope to describe things, as I have them in my mind. If I am being unclear, or if you want to know something, please comment on the video and I'll respond immediately, or within a day. I really try to keep on top of the comment section, and yeah, very excited to have you along for the ride. So alright, I'm gonna do some work now. Ciao.